Good morning, boys. Today we are going to see the number system for the third term, the chapter 1, number system, the page number 1. So in the last class itself, last term itself, we have learned the number system. Today, the same thing, the number system we are going to see here. Here representing the decimal numbers. So, to round a decimal, whatever the number they have given, we are going to round the numbers. So, to round a decimal, if it is a decimal, then only we can able to round the number. It will be a whole number. According to that, we can able to see. So, first, for rounding the number, these are all the steps we have to follow. So, first thing, first underline the digit that is to be rounded. So, what is the first main thing we have to do? We have to underline the which number we have to round up, that we have to underline. First underline the digit that is to be rounded, then look at the digit to the right of the underlined digit. So, for example, if I take 3.4. So, we are going to round the whole number. For example, we are going to round the whole number. So, if first you have to underline the digit that is the to be rounded. Which is the whole number part? 3 is the whole number part. So, first what we have to do? We have to underline the whole number part. Then what we should do? Then look at the digit to the right of the underlined digit. So, for 3, which is the right side? This is the right side. So, 4 we have to look after the 4. The next digit we have to look after. So, the 4 we have to look after right side of the digit. So, then if the digit is less than 5, the underlined digit remains same. So, what is the next condition? If the digit is less than 5. So, the right side part we have to take. If it is the digit is less than 5, now 4 is obviously less than 5. If the digit is less than 5, the number remains same. The 3 will be the answer. So, if the digit is less than 5, the underlined digit remains same. The underlined digit remains same. This is the way we have to do. If the digit is greater than equal to 5, add 1 to the underlined digit. So, for example, if I take 3.57, so the whole number part we have to take the whole number part. The digit right, we have to see the next one. So, the digit is greater than equal to 5 means what we have to do? What is the condition they have given there? We have to add 1 to the underlined part. So, what will be the answer? 3.57. So, plus 1. So, what it will be? 4. So, 4 will be the rounded one. So, what is the next thing? If the digit is greater than equal to 5, add 1 to the underlined digit. So, this is the underlined digit. I am adding 1 to that. So, 4 is the answer. After rounding of the rounding, I am rounding this 4 I got. Leave all the digits after the underlined digit. We have to leave all the digits. We should not take over all the digits. We have to leave. So, the final answer will be 4. So, these are the conditions. By using these conditions, we are going to solve the problems. Now take page number 4, exercise 1.1, first Roman number. Round each of the following decimals to the nearest whole number. Round each of the following decimals to the nearest whole number. Here 8.71. So here 8.71 they have given. So which is the whole number part? We have to round the whole number. That is the question they have asked. So what is the first thing we have to do? We have to underline the whole number part. Then what is the next thing we have to see? We have to see the right side of the underlined number. So which is the right side means 7. So we have to see the 7 is greater than equal to 5. We have to see. So here 7 is what it is, greater than equal to 5. So if it is greater than equal to 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the underlined part. And what is the next thing? So we have to add 8 plus 1, and then we have to leave all the remaining thing. Whatever it is there after the underlined part, whatever the number it is there, we have to leave all the remaining thing. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 is the answer. So this is the answer for this. This is the way how to do. So first the whole number part we have to underline, and then we have to see to the next thing, right side of the underlined digit. So right side of the underlined digit is 7. So 7 we have to check whether it is greater than equal to 5. So if it is greater than equal to 5, we have to add 1 to the underlined number. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So the answer is 9. The second one, 26.01. So which is the whole number? 26 is the whole number. So we have to take the underlined digit is 6. So what is the next number? Next number is 0. So 0 is, it is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, what you have to do? The number remains unchanged. We should not change the, we should not add the number, add 1 to the whole number part. We have to write as such. So here 26 since it is 0 less than 1, the underlined digit remains same. So the round off 26.01 is equal to 26. So here what we did, since it is greater than equal to 5, we have to add 1 to the underlined digit. So this is the way you have to solve. So the third one, 69.48. So 69.48, which is the whole number part. 69 is the whole number. So we have to underline 9. So we have to see to the next number. What is the next number? The right side of the underlined digit. So right side of the underlined digit is 4. So 4 is less than 5. If 4 is less than 5, so what it is? Underlined digit remains changed. Underlined digit remains same. remains same. So what is the thing you have to write? So round off 69.48 is equal to 69. So we have to leave the remaining thing after the decimal point, whatever the number it is there, we have to leave. So next, fourth problem, 103.72. So now the whole number part is 103. So we have to underline 3. So we have to take the next number. So next number is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. If 7 is greater than 5, what is the condition? Add 1 to the underlying digit. Add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you add 1 to the underlined digit, what it will be? 100, and then you have to leave all the things. So 103 plus, so this is the underlined digit, we are adding 1 to this. So if you add, what you will get? So 401. So 104. So round off 103.72 is equal to 104. So the next one, fifth one, 49.84. So the whole number part is 9. 9 is the whole number part. So we have to see the next number. So 8 is greater than 5. If 8 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digit. Underlined digit. If you add 1 to the underlined digit, so what you will get? So what? 49 plus 1. So you will be getting 0, 1, so 50. So round off 49.84 is equal to 50. Then sixth one, 101.35. So now we have to underline the whole number part is 1 is the whole number part. So we have to see the next number. So 3 is less than 5. If 3 is less than 5, what is the condition? We should not add anything. The underlined digit remains same. So underlined digit remains same. So 101 round off 101 101.35 is equal to 101 is the answer. Then the next one, seventh one, 39.814. Now 9 is the whole number part. So we have to take the next number 8 greater than 5. So 8 greater than equal to 5, greater than equal to 5. So what you have to do? Add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you add 1 to the underlined digit, so 39 underlined digit is 9. So plus 1. So 0, 1, 40. So round off 39.814 is equal to 40. Then 8th one 1.23. So 1 is the whole number. So 1 after 1 2 it is there. So 2 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, what is the condition? Here underlined digit remains unchanged. Underlined digit remains same. So remains same. So now here, so round off 1.23 is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. Now we will go to the second Roman number. Second one, round each decimal number to the given place value. So round each decimal number to the given place value. They have given the place value here. So 5.992. So to the 10th place. So first we have to underline the 10th place. 10th place is 9 is the 10th place. So now I have underlined the 9. So after underlining this 9, what is the steps we have to follow? We have to see the right side of the underlined digit. So the right side of the underlined digit is 9. So 9 is how it is? It is greater than 5. So if it is 9 is greater than 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the underlined digit. So add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you are adding 1 to the underlined digit, so 5.9, here we have to leave off all the remaining things. So that is the next step, next condition. So whatever we have underlined, we should not take, after writing this, we have to leave off the remaining things. So we are adding 1 to the underlined digit. This is the underlined digit. So if you add, what you will get? 9 plus 1, 10, 1, so 6. So 6.0. So round off 5.992 to 10th place. 10th place is equal to 6.0. So the next problem. Second one, 21.805. 21.805 to 100th place. So 100th place is 8 is the 10th place, 0 is the 100th place. So 0 is the 100th place. So after underlining this, what we have to do? We have to go to the next right side of the underlined digit. Right side of the underlined digit is 5. 5 is, how it is 5? It is equal to 5. If it is equal to 5, what is the condition? Add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digits. Underlined digit. If you are adding 1 to the underlined digit, what you will get? 21.80. We are leaving the remaining thing. So plus underlined digit is 0. So we are adding this. So what you will get? 1, 8. So 0.12. 21.81 is the answer. So round off 21.805 to 100th place to 100th place is 21.81. Third problem. 35.0014 to the 1000th place. So 1000th place means, so ones, tenths, hundreds, thousandth. So 1 is the 1000th place. So what is the thing? We have to see the next number. So 4 is less than 5. So 4 is less than 5 means underlined digit remains same. So underlined digit remains same. So now what we have to do here? We are not going to change anything. So we have to leave all the numbers after that. After the underlined digit, we have to leave off. We should not change anything. We have to write as such. So round off 35.0014 to 1000th place. 1000th place is, so what is the answer? 35.001 is the answer. Now we are going to see the third one. Round the following decimal numbers up to 1 places of decimals. So 1 places of the decimals. Round the following decimal numbers up to 1 places of the decimal. After the, what is the thing we have to find out means, after the decimal point there should be only 1 digit must be there. That is the thing they have given. Okay. So first thing, 123.37. So after the decimal point, the answer should be only 1 decimal point, it should be there. So we have to, here 2 digits it is there, we need only 1 digit. So we have to take this 10th place alone. So the 10th place alone we have to see. So for that we have to underline the 10th place alone. So after underlining this, what you have to do? We have to take the right side of the underlined digit. So 7 is what it is? Greater than 5. So if 7 is greater than 5, greater than equal to 5, so what it is? We have to add 1 to the underlined digit. So add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you are adding 1 to the underlined digit, so 123.3 plus 1. So you will be getting 4.321. So round off 100 123.37 is 123.4. Then the next one, second problem, 19.99. So after the decimal point only one digit must be there. So I am underlining the 9. So after underlining the 9, I have to take the next number, right side of the underlined number. So 9 is greater than equal to 5. If it is greater than equal to 5, add 1 to the underlined digits. Add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you are adding 1 to the underlined digit, so 19.9 plus 1. So if you add, you will be getting 0, here 1, 0, 1, 2. So 20 is the answer. So round off 19.99 is 20. Then next one, third one, 910.546. So 5 is the, we have to underline the 5. After the decimal point we need only one digit. So we are underlining 5. So after underlining 5 we have to take the next number. So 4 is less than 5. So 4 is less than 5 means what we have to do? We have underlined digit remains underlined digit remains same. So if it is remains same, so what it will be? 910.5 is the answer. Then the next one, fourth problem. In the fourth problem, round the following decimal numbers up to 2 places of the decimal. So in the previous problem, we have seen the one decimal point. After the decimal point only one digit. Now what we are going to see? We are going to see after the decimal point 2 decimal numbers must be there. 2 digits must be there. So first thing, so 87.755. So after the decimal point the answer should be 2 digits must be there. 2 digits must be there. 10th place and 100th place must be there. So what we have to do? We have to underline the 100th place. So if you underline the 100th place, then only you will be getting, after the decimal point, you will be getting the 2 digits of the thing. So that is the question they have asked here. Round the following decimal numbers up to 2 decimal places of 2 places of decimal. So 2 places of decimal means you have to get the 10th place and then 100th place must be there. So for that what we have to do? We have to underline the 100th decimal places. If you underline the 100th decimal places, we have to see the right side of the underlined digit. So right side of the underlined digit is 5. So we have to see 5 is equal to, greater than equal to, or equal to 5. So if it is equal to 5, what you have to do? We have to add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1 to the underlined digits. Add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you add 1 to the underlined digit, so 87.75 plus, this is the underlined digit, you are adding 1. So what you will get? 6, 7, so 7, 8. So round off 2 decimal, round off 2 places of decimal, 2 places of decimal for 87.755 is 87.76. This is the answer. Then the second problem. So second problem is 301.513. So after the decimal point, 2 digit must be there. So we have to take the 100th place. So after 100th place, we have to see the underline. We are underlining this digit. So what is the condition? We have to take the right side of the underlined digit. So right side of the underlined digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, the underlined digit remains same. Underlined digit remains same. So remains same. So underlined digit remains same. So 301.51 is the solution for two places of decimal, 2 places of decimal number, decimal 301.513. So third one, (61.00203). So here 100th place is 0. So here after that what you have to take? 2. So 2 is less than 5. So if it is 2 is less than 5, so it is underlined digit remains, underlined digit remains same, remains same. So therefore the answer is equal to 61.00 is the answer. Now fifth one, round the following decimal numbers up to 3 places of decimals. Up to 3 places of decimals means you have to take the 1000th place. So first one 24.4 003. After the decimal point, you need only the 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Third digit is 0. So if you take 0, this is 10th, 100th, 1000th. So 1000 place, up to 1000 place only we need. So 3 less than 5. So 3 less than 5 means underlying digit remains same. Underlined digit remains same. So if an underlying digit remains same, so 24.400 is 3 places of decimal. 3 place of decimal. So the next one, second one, here 1251.2345. So now we have to underline the 4. So if you underline the 4, we have to take the 5. 5 is equal to 5. So add 1 to the underline, add 1 to the underlined, add 1 to the underlined digit. So if you are adding 1 to the underlined digit, so 1251.234, we are adding, this is the underlined digit, we are adding 1. If you add 1 to that, you will be getting 532.1521. So this is the answer. So the answer is 1251.235. So the next problem. The last problem in this exercise. So 61.00203. So 61.00, here I am going to underline 2. So after that we are going to take 0. 0 is less than 5. So the underlined digit remains same. Underlined digit remains same. So what is the answer? So 61.002 is the answer for this. So round off to the, is the, yes, 3 place of decimal. So now we have completed exercise 1.1. This exercise is over. The exercise 1.2 we will see in the next class, boys. Thank you, boys.